In this video, I will show you how to remove a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, maybe you're looking to remove a Bluetooth device because you no longer have that device, or maybe you just no longer use it on your PC or laptop. Whatever the reason, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. So once your settings window has opened through, what you need to do is come over to the left hand side, and on this menu you're going to find Bluetooth and devices. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. At the top you're going to find all your Bluetooth devices that have previously been connected to your laptop or PC. What you can also do is click here where it says view more devices, and this is going to find some further devices if you can't see it in the initial list. Now all you need to do is find the device that you want to forget or remove from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So what I'm going to do is use this Bluetooth keyboard as an example, as I no longer use this keyboard. Now all you need to do is click onto the device that you want to remove, and once you've done that you're going to see the remove button come up. Give it a click, and what that's going to do is say removing device. Just takes a minute or two, and then it's going to remove the device. So that's how to remove a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.